I'm going to show you how to easily make this sweetheart neckline off shoulder with very easy steps. If this is something you love to watch, make sure you subscribe for more. So I have my pattern paper that is on fold. The first thing you have to do is fold your pattern paper and draw a starting line. So this is when drafting irregular bodice, this is usually the shoulder line. But from the shoulder line, I'm going to go down by 5 inches and I'm going to make my new shoulder line. So this is what is going to be the new shoulder line. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line across, as you can see me do. Then I'm going to get my armhole measurement. That's the armhole divided by 2. That's going to give me 7 inches. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line, as you can see. Then I'm going to mark my shoulder to bust measurement of 10 inches. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. The next, I'm going to mark my shoulder to waist measurement, which is 16 inches. Then I'm going to get my full length of 20 inches. Then I'm going to draw horizontal lines again. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my armhole line. Remember, my armhole was 7 inches from the top shoulder line. So I'm going to just draw a vertical straight line, as you can see me connecting from the top shoulder down to the armhole line. Then I'm going to curve my armhole and we're going to shape our sweetheart neckline. So at this point, I'm going to make a diagonal of 1 inch, then curve my armhole. So this is the armhole that I'm going to be working with. Then I'm going to get my bust circumference, divide by 4 plus seam allowance and ease. Then I'll do the same on my waist circumference, divide by 4 plus seam allowance and ease. I'll do the same on my full length as well. Then I'm going to connect the points. So next we're going to shape the sweetheart neckline. On this folded side, I'm going to come down by 1.5 inches. You can decide how deep you want your sweetheart neckline to be. If it's above the breast, it's always sweetheart neckline. Then if it's below the breasts, then it will be a plungy neckline, deep plungy neckline. So this is just a regular sweetheart neckline. And I'm going to curve with my ruler, as you can see. Then I'm just going to cut it out, and we have our sweetheart neckline ready.